Hello students, how are you all? Hope that all of you are following your study materials in a very proper way and in a very nice way. So let's come to our today's topic. Our today's topic is displacement reaction, already written on the board. It is coming under the chapter metals and non-metals. So this displacement reaction, about which I have already sent some PDF notes in your files through the school website. Now this class you will understand how this displacement reaction occurs. Here some chemical symbols and chemical formulas are very much required to understand this displacement reaction. First of all, let us go in that part. Symbol of iron already you have known before, that is Fe, which has come from the word ferrum, Latin name of iron. Copper, the symbol is Cu, it has come from the Latin name cuprum, C-U-P-R-U-M. Sulfur is S itself and oxygen O itself. Copper sulfate, CuSO4, that means one atom of copper, one atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. Ferrous sulfate, one atom of iron, one atom of sulfur and 4 atoms of oxygen. Now, before going to the displacement reaction, one physical appearance of copper sulfate, which is actually a metallic salt. Salts are of many types. One you know very well, NaCl, sodium chloride, that is also a metallic salt because sodium is a metal which is present in that common salt. So copper sulfate is also a salt whose color is blue. So the salt color appears to be blue. So when we make the solution of copper sulfate, that also appear blue. What we are going to do in our chemical reaction. So when copper sulfate solution is made, water is taken in a beaker, better to take distilled water, and copper sulfate, which is a crystal shaped salt, we have to dust it and we have to mix it in the water, and the solution appears to be blue in color. And what we have taken for iron, we have taken iron nails or iron screw also we can use. So for iron we have taken iron nails or iron screw, and copper sulfate solution we have made. Now what to do to proceed the displacement reaction? This iron nails we have to put into the beaker containing the copper sulfate solution. So when we will put the iron nails here, the iron nails will dip inside the solution. And when iron nails will dip inside, after that we will start shaking the solution for some time. Now after some time, what will be your observation? It's a chemical magic, you can say. After some time, the blue color solution, after some time means it can take 1-2 minutes also. So the solution color will become which color can you guess? It will become greenish in color. Yes, it will become greenish in color. And this green color will be a chemical magic in your observation. It is the same beaker. Don't think that I have taken a second beaker. in the same beaker you will see that the color is slowly changing into green, that is from blue to green. And what about the iron nails? What about the iron nails? On the surface of the iron nails, you will see the deposition of copper metal. It will become cuprous in color. That means copper type look will be on the iron surface. Now, what is the reason behind this chemical magic? Now, let us come to the reaction part. Iron, obviously the symbol you know, Fe, when reacts with copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, will turn into ferrous sulfate solution, which is green in color, and separately copper will be out. What is the reason here? Iron, which is actually more powerful than copper. I have used here the sign greater than. That means iron is more powerful than copper. Chemically, in the language of chemistry, we say iron is more reactive than copper. So, when the iron is more reactive than copper, what it will do? It will displace. Displace means it will change its position. It will displace copper from the solution and the iron will take its place and the copper will be separated out. And the color of this ferrous sulfate solution is green because ferrous sulfate is a green colored metallic salt. So that's the reason you are seeing the solution color changing to be greenish. So this is a chemical magic what will occur in front of our eyes in our observation if it is done practically. So here you have understood today about displacement reaction. One molecule of iron reacts with one molecule of copper sulfate to give one molecule of ferrous sulfate and one molecule of copper. And this is observed by this changing of the color. So this is called displacement reaction because iron is displacing copper as it is more reactive than copper from the solution. So in this way you are going to understand more reactions slow by slow, step by step in the forwarding classes. So understand and read this reaction properly from the PDF notes also, and wait for more other reactions to understand according to our chapters that are going to come. So till then, see you, thank you, goodbye.